When should you go to the chiropractor for the first time is a question I get asked a lot. So today I'm going to look to answer that for you. My name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I help people to remove the blockages from your health so you can live an amazing, fantastic life. And I've been doing it for the last 20 years. Now, people regularly ask me, when should I have my kids checked or adjusted? And I gotta tell you, the sooner the better. You know, the first trauma that we wind up running into winds up potentially happening before you're even born. You see, for babies, as they're developing in the last trimester that they are in utero, one of the things that should happen is, if my fist is the hand of a baby, is that they should wind up shifting so that their head goes down and becomes ready for delivery. However, for many children, they wind up bonking their head on mama's pelvis because there may be an issue or challenge with mom's pelvis in that it's not moving right. This can wind up leading to things like a breech birth or an altered presentation of the baby. And those bonks of the head against the pelvis, which isn't moving, they can wind up being the first trauma. Now, thankfully, most babies wind getting through that without a trauma. But the next place the trauma happens is at delivery, where a child's head is pulled with 40 pounds of force and turned 90 degrees, and then 90 degrees the other way with 40 pounds of force. Now, I don't have a better way of delivering babies, but these are traumas that can happen to a newborn's neck. After that, between 0 and 4 years of age, a baby goes through over 4,000 falls. Once you get through that, you then get into the youth athletics, and those wind up causing so many falls, breaks, issues that don't have to cause someone to have a concussion to cause shifts within the spine. The sooner that someone is checked on these, the easier that they're corrected. And what I wanted to do is also share with you some of the fun and different ways that our patients have realized that they got introduced to traumas and what they would suggest for you to avoid to make sure that you take care of your spine. If you've got a good one, go ahead and share it in the comments down below. We may even look to put it up here for you. If you've got questions about when is the right time to get checked or how to get checked, I'm gonna leave a link down below for us to be able to hop on a discovery call to figure out when's right for you and your family to get checked, and maybe even help you to find the right person. I want to thank you for joining me and having a great day.